Right, we're on the track to Montezuma Falls, west coast of Tassie, sort of between Rosebery and Zeehan. There is a walking track, but we thought we'd just try driving. Put a lot of thought into it. She's wearing white shoes. I don't know if you can see, guys, but they are some white shoes. Very slippery, isn't it? Slippery mud. Now let's see if Mum can do it. Alright, here we go. That's one way to go in there. What do you reckon? You made it look a bit easier than that. This is the old tram track too. As long as we know wider than tram, we should be right. Do you know how wide trams are? Oh dear. Jesus, darling!
Sorry about that. Had a stick hit the side of the car, went under the wheel, one of the 6 wheels, smacked into the side of the car, so I think we've got our first new little dent.
So you heard it there, folks. We didn't run into the stick ran into us, so you got to watch them. Oh, we better have a look here, we might not fit. I think we will, but let's have a look.
That's it, kids.
There it is. It's pretty good.
No, it's not.
That is about the amount of water that we've seen in all the waterfalls.
What do you reckon, guys? Pretty good?
That's the tiniest waterfall ever.
Wow.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
Oh well, the track keeps going, so we might as well keep going. See what else is up here.
Might as well find the big waterfall.
All I can say is you're allowed to be close.
Oop. We can't just walk across it, we have to jump across it. Found a bit of a creek. It's really good on my feet. Up in my bull ant, or bull ant. Here comes Mum. 6-wheel drive, loving it. Right, I suppose I'd better go chase them.